Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And it helps our channel to grow as well, so be sure to do that. And let's start today's video without any further ado, and be sure to watch this video until the end so you guys can know how you guys can block and unblock someone on Snapchat, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can block or unblock someone on Snapchat. So before I teach you how you guys can block and unblock someone on Snapchat, just remember that if you block somebody, the person you have blocked will know that you have blocked them, because if they try to message you or call you, it's gonna say you have been blocked by the person, so you cannot interact with the person further. So remember that once you block somebody, the other person will know you have blocked them. So it's pretty simple to block somebody. So first, hold on the person's name which you want to block. So I want to block Suyagadikari. I can hold on his name and click on more over here, and after I click on more, I can click on block and click on block. And after doing that, Suyagadikari has been blocked. As you guys can see, he disappeared from here, which means he is blocked. So to unblock him again, I can click on my profile picture over here, click on this gear icon over here, and I can scroll down at the last and click on blocked over here. If I click on blocked, it's going to show me all the people which I have blocked over here. So to unblock Suyagadikari, I can click on this cross over here and click on yes. And after doing this, he should be unblocked. Wait for some time and he has been unblocked. Remember, now when you block somebody, after you unblock them, they're gonna be removed from your friend list. Just remember that. So if you unblock somebody, then you need to send them a friend request again and be friends with them. As you guys can see, Suyagadikari is not in my friend list. Let me show you. Since I have got my friends, as you guys can see, Abhinav Timla is the only friend I have. So that's basically how you block and unblock in someone's Snapchat. Now remember, if you block somebody, then they are already removed from your friend list. But if they try to send you a friend request, they can't, because you have blocked them. And if you unblock them, then they can send you a friend request, or you can send them a friend request and be friends. So that's basically how you block and unblock somebody on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye and peace out. Have a nice day.